201-এর বাচ্চাটা। হ্যাঁ, না কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড তো অনেকগুলো চলে। কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইডও তো আমাদের এই ইয়ের কারণে কম লাগে, জিএতে তো সাধারণত আমরা বেশি দেই। হ্যাঁ সেটাই। টাকা ছিল আজ থেকে 3-4 বছর আগে 9,200 টাকা। সেদিনকে এক বোতল পুরা লাগছে ওই ছেলেটার। হুম, তোমার ওটির ওষুধপত্র গ্যাস ট্যাস মিলায় ওর বিল আসছে 24,000 টাকা। মানে ওটা একাই তো 9,000 টাকা, তো বাকি আছে না আরো। ত্রিপুরাতেই তো অলরেডি ওদের হিসাবেই 10 জন মারা গেছে। হ্যাঁ, এই ফোনটা আনো। সাউন্ডটা। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আমার অপারেশন আছে। পলার বাসায় থাকবে। হুম 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 হ্যাঁ 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 হুম। আমি বাসায় আসি, আমি অপারেশন। এগুলো নিয়েই জীবন, কোনো মানে আছে? তা তো খুলতেই হবে তো, এখন তো খুললে তো ওইদিকে মানে খুলেতে, হ্যাঁ ভেঙে যাবে। এটাই তো নিয়ম, একটা লেভেলের পরে তো খুলতে হয় স্লুইস গেট। সেটা নিয়ে দেখছো কালকে শাহজালাল ইউনিভার্সিটির মিছিল? না আমি বুঝতেছি না, মানে এই অবস্থায় আর্মি অবশ্যই দায়িত্ব নিয়ে নেওয়া উচিত। ইউনূসের কোনো কথাবার্তা শুনছো তুমি?
আমরা শৃঙ্খলা
স্যান্ডব্যাগ আনো। So it is the liver. The anatomy is a bit peculiar. The
Yes.
gallbladder is inside the liver in a significant part, and liver lobes are not also looking normal. However, now after sandbag, it is in a good condition. Jafrul, who is it?
Kanchan.
Oaji?
Kanchan.
Kanchan, sorry.
Yes.
Okay, this is a male, 32-year-old male. The look of the gallbladder is not so bad. Only the anatomy of the liver is somewhat problematic. I hope we can manage. Before managing, our diathermy is not working properly. বাইরে diathermy কোনো কাজই করছে না। In our country, we have to work in such conditions. No problem. Okay, so you see, this is the lymph node, right, Kanchan? You
Yes, sir.
can see this is the lymph node. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we are starting. We have just removed the released the adhesions on the posterior aspect. Now, in this aspect, we are coagulating the vessel. This is the lymph node, just distal to the lymph node. This vessel here on the wall of the body of the gallbladder. You see, coagulating and as during release of the adhesions, the section was complete. So after division of this, we can find the cystic duct, and then I hope the main part of our job will be complete. You see, uh, here is the vessel. So I am dividing the vessel here on the gallbladder. You see the two ends here, here. Always dissect in this way, pull away from the gallbladder wall. Otherwise, if you press the foot keeping like this, there will be perforation of the gallbladder that will kill some of your time. Uh, but the gallbladder wall is very thin. I am not sure whether I can continue without perforating it, but we will try, right? Thalada. ট্রলি অনেক দূরে। Okay, so I am avoiding holding here because due to the crushing effect of the Maryland, the gallbladder may leak. So I am trying to avoid that. Now, this is the lymph node. Here is the vessel. So it will come down, fall back medially. Cystic duct is very narrow. You see? Can you see, Kanchan? Very narrow cystic duct. I think our this part of dissection is complete. I do not want to go further down. I will now ligate at the base junction, near the junction of the cystic duct with the common duct. Okay, cystic duct is very narrow.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ট্রেনে ফলাইছে
Okay, so the ligation near the base. Now we will divide it. We will cut the thread and go for another ligation close to the gallbladder neck, and then divide the cystic duct and proceed with the gallbladder dissection. That will be somewhat difficult because the gallbladder is very thin walled and partly buried into the liver. So, without causing bleeding from liver, it will not be an easy task. However, let us see what happens. Okay, now we will go for dissection of the gallbladder. You see, the gallbladder is within the liver. Here we will have to use the bipolar cautery first, and there is every possibility of perforating the gallbladder during this part of dissection. However, we will try to proceed with extreme care, and I am not sure to be able to avoid bleeding from the liver because it is buried. Usually we try to dissect close to the gallbladder wall. Now we will try that also, but I am not sure how much successful I will be. So created a plane, now going through this plane. You see, could not avoid. The diathermy hook touched the gallbladder wall, so from there leak happened. Now I am continuing without stopping so that I can minimize any further damage. It was unintentional It's a very thin gallbladder wall. Just ধরো না। এখানে সরাও না একটু আমাকে দেখতে দাও। You see, so thin that I cannot create a plane between the serosa and the mucosal wall of gallbladder. I am trying to complete this dissection, then I will go for hemostasis from the little bleeding from liver bed. এটা ধরে রাখো, এটা এখনই ইয়ে করবো না। কন্ডম দিচ্ছ? বলার তো কিছু নাই রে ভাই, কন্ডম তো লাগবে। We are introducing a condom so that during retrieval of the gallbladder there is not much leakage into peritoneal cavity. We will put the gallbladder into the condom bag and there will be by leakage into peritoneal cavity. উপরেই তো। So this is from the river bed. I am trying to use bipolar cautery. The clot also came from above, from this part, and I will first I will put the gallbladder into the condom bag, then go for little ধরে রাখো তুমি, তুমি উপরে ধরো রে ভাই। যুদ্ধ করছো কেন আমার সাথে? আমি তো দুইটা দিয়ে ধরতেছি। এটা ধরো এখন। Now we will give bring out the gallbladder along with the condom. Not much bile or blood. You see, the color of the fluid is almost clear. Retractor. Little you see, clear water, so no more is necessary. will come out. Little remaining fluid, if some left, will be absorbed through the peritoneum. So we will now bring out the gallbladder. As the gas from the will open the valve so that gas comes out very easily, bringing out the specimen.